So hi, uh, good evening. Thank you so much for coming today. We would like to discuss about your journey with Oracle NetSuite. So before that, my name is Harshad. I am acting as Vice President for SoftCore Solutions, and I am working with SoftCore for last 8 years. For my experience, I am there since last 15 years in the industry, helping MSME and mid-market segments, and even large enterprises for their digital transformation. So I would like to quickly introduce yourself, and then we will have some short, quick discussions about your journey and experience.
My name is Hemant. I'm having 2 decades of corporate experience, mostly with head office strategy and P&L roles. I'm part of executive management at Celebal, have a title of CFO, and have privilege to have a board seat. My current role is providing leadership to corporate functions like investor relations, finance, HR, legal, admin, internal IT, and so on. I work closely with my both co-founders and fellow leaders in sales, pre-sales, tech and delivery. Celebal Tech is an ambitious IT services organization that's growing at a CAGR of 70% since FY21. We are a Microsoft Global AI Partner of the Year in 2023. We have 10 subsidiaries across globe and over 2,000 employees. You can describe us as a boutique IT services firm with core pillars as open AI powered industry co-pilots, SAP Extend and Innovate, Industry 4.0 solutions, and migrations and lakehouses.
Oh, great. So great to know about your company on a you know brief. I would also like to understand some of your customers or where exactly which industry segments you are providing your services or offering your products.
In terms of our target segment, we mostly work with large enterprise customers and who are having legacy infrastructure, and we help them digitalize and we help them in their digital transformation journey. In terms of customers, we have marquee customers in India and outside India. Some of them are under NDAs, but we work with almost every large private sector bank in India. We work with a lot of manufacturing organizations in the North America, Europe, a lot of government projects in MEA, and various other geographies.
Right, great. So as you are already now using Oracle NetSuite, so I would like to quickly understand what are the major parameters or pain areas or the new functionalities you were looking for. What brings you to evaluate a new financial accounting system, and how it is benefited for you. That also I would like to understand.
Sure. Celebal as an organization grew very rapidly. We are a very ambitious organization with global footprints, and we started our journey with, we tried our hands with various accounting and financial management products. We are using Tally in India. Outside India, we are using a combination of Zoho and QuickBooks. Eventually, we realized that we need a standard product that can help us integrate and provide a consolidated financial view of the organization at click of a mouse. And that's the time where we also wanted to have a robust process in terms of our revenue reporting, in terms of various other indicators that we would want to closely track. We evaluated many options and we zeroed down on Oracle NetSuite because of its agility, its born in cloud, its the overall ecosystem around the ready-to-use products that are available with Oracle. So these were some of the factors, along with the availability of trained manpower and easy to use interface. So these were the factors that we are looking for, and that's how we decided in favor of Oracle.
Right. So that was actually my next question was like, what are the benefits you have observed so far while using Oracle NetSuite? And on top of that, is there any particular set of functionalities which you particularly like?
One common tool for all entities. The advantage is that we can see consolidated business position, balance sheet, P&L, debtors, etc. Um, Auto conversion of foreign currencies to the global reporting currency is another interesting feature, and the reduced manual effort in bank reconciliation, vendor payment, intercompany postings, and reconciliations. Uh, Now we are in better control of our AP, and one can validate invoice against the PO, restrict duplicate invoice booking. On AR, we have facilities like bulk invoicing or invoicing in multiple currencies. On revenue reporting, we can track multiple projects within one tool for revenue recognition, billed and unbilled uh, position by each project. So these are some of the advantages and some of the early benefits that we are reaping with this.
Yeah. So on top of that, also talking about KPIs or dashboards or reporting at a fingertip, anything particularly you would like to highlight that for you as a CFO is very much helpful in your day-to-day transactions and talking about submitting reports to the management. These are the functionalities are like outstanding in Oracle NetSuite.
Working capital is the lifeline for any organization, and we feel that it's very easy to track and project the need for cash week by week. And this is the feature that I'm using most with the management dashboard at present.
Great, great. Next, basically, during this journey, how was your experience, uh, you know, dealing with SoftCore Solution team? Whether you feel like SoftCore Solution is, uh, as per your requirement, whatever goals we have set up, high level goals we have set up during discovery session. Do you think SoftCore has able to match those requirements and they have done it in particular timeline, deliver the solution as per your expectations?
We are very satisfied with SoftCore Solutions in terms of implementing this, especially because this was a new product for my entire team. Uh, SoftCore acted as a partner and also provided us external benchmarkings and best practices along with the functional consulting. That way, it made us take the right architecture approach, GL headers, chart of accounts. So that help I really appreciate that came from SoftCore.
Great, great. Good to hear about your experience with SoftCore Solution. My next question will be like, what basically advice you would like to give to our audience, maybe from the similar industry or maybe from other industries as well?
In terms of selecting the right product,
Yes, two things are important. One, Oracle NetSuite as a solution, financial accounting solution, and second, SoftCore Solution as a service provider or a technology partner for delivering this particular solution.
the advantage of having industry acknowledged leadership product like Oracle NetSuite help an organization in many ways. Uh, in terms of compliances, there are many things which are auto built in. Uh, some of the checklists, some of having the audit trail. So those are the things that are inbuilt in the product.
Right.
So that makes the compliance journey easier. Also, there are options for external stakeholders like your investor, your debt partner. So there are view-only rights for your stat auditors. So this means that they can also have a view of what's going on, and this reduces the friction between various stakeholders in the organization and outside it.
Right. So, Hemantji, I would like to quickly understand about your customers and industries where you are offering your services and products.
Sure. Celebal is where traditional enterprise meets modern cloud innovation. We have 6 solution areas and work across section of industry verticals. Uh, of late, we are also creating solutions around industry sectors like energy. We work almost with every large private sector bank in India, and a lot of our customers are under NDA, but I can share some of the names like Reliance General Insurance, Vedanta, Viacom 18 are some of our customers in India, and we have an equally impressive list of global customers that we have in North America, UAE, Japan, Australia, so on.
Great, great. So, if I ask you about, defining your experience for Oracle NetSuite in one sentence, how you will define it?
In one sentence, I can define it as it's a it's a product that's very it. I would define it as as a marathon and not a sprint. It's a product where we are getting mature in phases, and we are trying to exploit all the product features and improve our processes along the way.
That's great. So, maybe on a last question, on a closing note, how would you define your future? I mean, the sellable future for our audience and other customers.
Celebal, we are now in a hyper growth stage, and we have global aspirations. We want to be at least $100 million of revenue milestone. We also have invested a lot in our capabilities, and I think this is the time to capitalize on them. So we are very bullish about the future of AI and the role that we want to play there.
So, thank you so much for coming today and joining us and sharing your experience on SoftCore Solutions and Oracle NetSuite. We are very much happy to be with you, associated for this particular journey. We are looking forward to work with you for next 15-20 years. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.